Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add height and weight on Amazon profile. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Amazon is a global technology company known primarily as the world's largest online retailer, but it also provides a vast array of services including cloud computing, digital streaming, artificial intelligence, and digital content. Founded by Jeff Bezos, it starts as an online bookstore and has expanded to over a huge selection of products and services through its website, apps, alongside a wide range of devices like Kindle and Echo. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create Amazon account, how to set up your account. But now, what if you want to make Amazon to personalize recommendation on your account? So you can add height and weight on your profile picture. Profile. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon. You can log in into your mobile apps or on the website on your PC or laptop. Here's I'm using on my laptop. I open the Amazon website. From here, you can go to your profile in here. There is an option manage profile. You can select on that. Choose on view. And in here on about you can add your height and weight. So if you add your set up your preference in here, your profile preferences help us personalize recommendation for you. So Amazon will recommend you any product that suits to your preferences. So you can add your height in here. You can add, for example, here's, and also your weight. After that, after you finish, you can just click on save. So here's your height and weight, and also you can add your age group, your department preferences, like fit attributes to diet, your lifestyle, your interests. And here you can add any preferences in here, so Amazon will recommend you products that suits to your preferences. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add height and weight on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.